This video today is a clean and decorate with me, and you guys, this is going to just be a minor clean. The cleaning portion is going to be very small. It's going to be a decorate with me. I'm also including a sponsored portion in this video. You're going to get that in just 1 second. Following me for a while. I originally had my bedroom originally featured black, which you don't hardly see me featuring black too much in my space unless it's in tablescapes, but I am bringing black back into the space. We're doing black, white, and silver in the space. And if you've been following me, the original, a lot of the older videos, you remember my massive black headboard. And that's what inspired me, because I want to bring that back temporarily. So I'm going to also drop that headboard link, you guys, down in the description box as well. So with that being said, I'm going to let you see an overview of the space. We've already taken some of the things down so we can prepare for what we're bringing in. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. Tap it twice. It turns blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading. I do upload content on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays. 4 days a week. You will get content at other days as well, you guys, but my normal upload days will always be Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So make sure you do stay tuned for that. Also, anything in this space that I did create in a DIY, I will be dropping those links down in the description. Always check my description box, you guys. I always include useful information for you in that description with affiliate links and discount code. We're finna jump right into the sponsored portion of the video. I received this candle warmer from TRTYLDT. I'm going to include that information down in the description box. They do sell on Amazon as well, but this is what my package looks like. And they do have the instructions on the package. Now you guys, make sure you click that link and that code to snag you a magnificent candle warmer. They do have them in various styles. And this is what mine is looking like. I opted for the black. As you can see, it does have a wood base and it adjusts as well. We're going to just get the plastic off of the cord, and here is that controller for it, you guys. It has a total of 3 different timer settings: 2 hours, 4 hours, and 12 hours. The bar does lift up and down. It does come with 2 5-amp lights as well. I'm going to put in one of the lights, and once again, I do have a code in the description. Make sure you check them out as well. Now the remote control does adjust the brightness and the warmer level of the light. You can use scented candles or unscented candles for this candle warmer as well, you guys. So do make sure you check them out. And if you do have a larger candle, once again, it does lift up. And I'm just showing you the different light settings for this candle warmer. I'm telling you guys, you won't never go wrong with a candle warmer, especially if you like a even smell. You know, in the home decor world, we love when our home smells good. And I'm gonna tell you guys, the best way to do it is with your candles. But if you don't want to physically light them, candle warmers are the way to go. I recommend it 10 out of 10 times. So make sure you do check them out. Now let's jump right back to the video. I am going to be adding mirrors into my bedroom space. I'm just opening up here out of the package. I'm going to include a link for these down in the description box as well. So if you want a kind of a modern or any type of farmhouse feel, these mirrors actually fit the scale for many, and I mean many different decor genre styles. But this is what it's looking like, and it is actually a matte black. And I know you can see all of the foam and the mess I've made, but we're going to clean that up. You guys, you can hang these mirrors vertically or horizontally. It's up to you. And if you watch your girl very often, you know I like to hang things vertical, because I like more length. Because, and I'm going to tell you guys, the reason I do that, my space is small. It's way smaller than what most people think, because I've been getting a lot of comments say, hey, did you move? No, it's the same house. We haven't moved yet, but we're going to bring you that coming very soon. But to change the look of a space, you have to hang stuff a certain way. So we're going to just add the mirrors into the space. And I'm just pulling that film off of them. I do have the grandbabies here with me as we're changing out the space. And to you guys, I bring you guys this with this black and white. This video is 100% an inspiration of my black and white home decor lovers. I had you guys in mind.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes
Here in this video, I did use some items that I already had. As you can see, with my headboard, still make sure you guys come along, because we're still doing some major changes. And to you guys, we just want to let you know we are down to 2 more chemo treatments. You heard your girl right, she only has 2 more treatments to go. So whoop 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 on that. And once we finish the treatments, I told you guys, I will still have to have clearance, because as most people don't know, you guys, not only with the chemo, I have FVL, which I developed blood clots. So I'm not able to fly on an airplane, and I'm not actually able to ride in a vehicle more than 6 hours. At today, 6 hours is my cap amount of being inside a vehicle because of the blood clots. So once we finish chemo, you guys, and once I get the clearance, we're going to bring you along the way on this other journey that your girl is already start to embark on. And I'm going to make sure you guys be a part of it. But I will let you know everything for as that next transitional phase of my life we have already been filming content for. So once we get to that phase, you're going to get to see a lot of that. Now, if you guys have joined the subscription part of the channel, you will yourself get to see some of that for us, the VIP members, because we don't release all of that, because I'm trying to bring everything in alignment with how the channel flow. Now with that being said, you guys, if you're watching and this is your first time tuning in, welcome to Her Home Is. I am Tammy, the host of the channel. Why don't you hit that subscribe button? I'm pretty sure you're gonna see something that goes on here at the villa that will inspire you.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it
And we're getting ready for the reveal, but you guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Her Home Is, all links are in the description. Glam Queen DIY, Her Home Tablescapes, Her Home Vlogs, and also Her Home Shorts. Once again, all links are down in the description. Now you guys, here's the reveal. I'm not going to talk much, you guys. I'm going to just show you the space, and I truly hope you was inspired, you guys. You guys take our ideas and work it in a way that works for you in your space to create the space you love. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Still watch to the end. Thank you guys for all of your loyal love and support. Continue to push the channel. We are on that road to that 10K, and we can make it, you guys, and we can get there quickly. You guys have proven to me that we can do things not only with the impact, but we can make it happen quick, fast, and in a hurry. So you guys, thank you so very much. And once again, make sure you check out all of the channels and enjoy the space that I created with you in mind.
wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give